You're welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's another trading week, guys, and this week, I'm very positive. Okay, like I expect to keep the market this week because I think EURUSD have breaking out of consolidation, and it's more of one-sided right now. So this week, we'll be hopeful. Let's see what markets will be giving us, what price will be delivering. All right. This is Kings right here. I trade ICT concepts and I share my Forex educational knowledge on this YouTube channel. Okay, maybe this is your first time. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. And also, we are currently in a challenge of moving from 10K funded till we are funded $200,000 through Profirm. Okay, so every Friday I used to drop the video that is the update on the account, right? And every week, at the beginning of every week, which is Monday, I always drop pre-market analysis. Okay, basically I trade just one pair, which is EURUSD. Okay, so I analyze both EURUSD and also analyze DXY. All right, DXY is dollar index, and you use it to determine the direction bias of most major pairs. Major pairs are pairs with USD. How correlation works is if DXY is bullish, pairs like EURUSD will be bearish. That is excess USD pairs. All right, like foreign currencies will be bearish. They move in opposite direction, and the most correlated pair with the XY is EURUSD. Okay, so that's why I analyze the XY and EURUSD hand in hand. All right, so if the XY is bullish, I'm expecting EURUSD to be bearish, right? So maybe if you trade like US card and the rest, they move in the same direction with with the XY. Okay, but not 100% of the time. But most correlated pair with the XY is EURUSD. All right, so just take note of that. Okay, so that's it, guys. So today is Monday, guys, and we'll be analyzing the market. I'll be analyzing both DXY and EURUSD. Okay, let's know what's the current what's the direction bias, what will you be expecting for the week. All right, in EURUSD for over 2 weeks now, price have been ranging, have been messy, and they have been messing us up with our setup. Like, we have been hitting losses back to back. It has been crazy right here, guys. Just that, we need to keep our psychology in check. All right, that's why we still execute regardless. So this week we are coming positive, we are coming better, we are coming to execute again 100%, guys, because we know that the main thing is having full confidence in your model, knowing how well your model does over time. So that's the essence of journaling, right? Because with the help of journal and the data I have taken from the market, I know that my model is highly profitable, right? This is maybe I understand why we are we actually incurring losses because of the market profile. Okay, so what we need to do is we have to stay out until we had a clear breakout, which just happened last week. We still took an L last week. Okay, 2 losses last week, and this week, guys, we are back. Hopefully we are going to come back big time this week. Okay, like currently now, if we have 2 consecutive wins, okay, we are going to come back. All right, we are going to clear all our losses that we had in the past 2 weeks, okay, and be positive. Okay, because I think currently in the account we have about 4 to 5% drawdown, right? So that's it, guys. So be analyzing the market. I will take you guys to the chart. All right, I'll take you guys to the charts. Then let's see what price is doing. Let's see what they think is going to happen in the week. Okay, so maybe if we use a different concept to analyze, share with us what you think is going to happen on the XY and EURUSD, or maybe the pair you trade, guys. So right now I'll be taking you to the chart using a simple concept, institutional data flow concept of ICT, okay, to analyze the market to see, okay, where do you think price is heading to next. Okay, so let's head to the chart, guys. So guys, you're welcome back to my chart. Okay, this is the XY, the weekly time frame. All right, so now whenever you get to our price, normally we start from the weekly time frame, okay, to see price from the higher time frame perspective. All right, so let's see where price is going to over time. Okay, so now looking at price now, I want you to understand that price books majorly based on liquidity, from internal to external liquidity and vice versa. All right, so looking at price right here now, what's happening now? Then if you look at here now from a larger range, you can see that price have taken a buy, this buy side liquidity. You can see, focus on my question, you can see this buy side liquidity right here. So price took it out, then expand to the downside into an internal liquidity right here. Okay, so if you look at this range, you will see that this price returned into internal liquidity. External liquidity is actually heading for this buy side liquidity right here. That's where price is heading for. Okay, because price tapped into this FVG right here, created a swing point, reversal confirmation. If you have been following me, you know that my reversal confirmation is a swing point. And now, where do you think price is going to the upside? But what we do is we take it levels by levels, liquidity zone to liquidity zone, right? So now the first liquidity zone we expect price to draw to is this FVG right here, this gap right here. Okay, because why? Because last week I actually anticipated price to expand to the downside, but I put a condition: if previous week high is taken, it means our bias is changed, and that's what that happened. So it violated this swing point that from last week. Right now, because this had happened now, what do you think that is going to happen next? What I think is going to happen next now from the data I have is that price is expanding to the upside, because after contraction, can we see an expansion? So after this expansion, what do you think? I want price to expand to the nearest liquidity level, which is opposite, right? So price is, where is price coming from? Price is coming from this gap. Where is it going to? Because it took out this low. You can see this low, guys. Then into this gap right here. Now, where is it going to? It's going to what? A buy side liquidity, all right, and above the buy side liquidity, we have what? A cap. All right, so that is the closest draw liquidity we have currently on the XY. So with this now, you see that I am bullish on the XY, guys. I'm 100% bullish on the XY this week. I expect a bullish expansion on the XY in the weekly perspective. So that is my anticipation for the week, guys. Okay, so don't take my word for it. Just know that price is probabilistic. So everything I say here is under probability. All right, but I'm working with data, guys. I'm working the data, not what I feel is going to happen in the market. So right now, I'll be taking to the daily time frame, because that's what we use to determine the daily direction bias. So right now, looking at the daily time frame, guys, what do you think now? What's happening now is that price have taken a buy side liquidity. In the daily time frame, price took out this buy side liquidity. Remember, I told you guys that price books majorly based on liquidity, from internal liquidity to external liquidity, and vice versa. So this buy side liquidity is taken. Now, what do you think? You expect price to return into internal liquidity. Personally, I look out for two forms of internal liquidity. Number one, an LVG, that is a gap in price. Number two, an order block. So what you see here now, you can see an LVG right here. So that's the first internal liquidity. So my expecting price at least to fill this, then form a low of the week, because whenever you're expecting price to expand to your side, you'll be looking for price to create the low of the week, right? Because price is this thing. How candlesticks forms is, one, it's open, it moves in opposite direction to create a higher low, then expand to the main direction. So expect price to expand to the downside a little bit into this gap to create the low of the week, then expand to the upsides to take out this buy side liquidity. But meanwhile, we are trading what we are seeing, all right? Because we are bullish on weekly perspective doesn't mean we start buying from, no, we take our daily direction bias from the daily time frame, guys. Okay, so that is why currently we are short-term bearish on the XY. Where is our anticipation? We expect price to jump into this gap right here, guys. So that is why we are in short-term bearish on the XY to fill this range, okay, to create the low of the week. Then possibly Tuesday on Wednesday, then we expect the price to reverse to head to the upside in line with the weekly direction bias. As simple as that, guys. So that's what I'm looking out for on the XY. Now, because I'm looking out for this thing now, what I'm now bullish on Euro USD. Okay, let me take you guys to Euro USD, guys. This is Euro USD, guys. Just the same narrative we have on the XY, guys, in opposite direction right now. After this consolidation in Euro USD, okay, and this thing just happened only in Euro USD. It's not like that in the XY, but it's well, right? So after this consolidation, what happened? Expansion to the downside, taking out this low. Now this low that is being taken, you can see price also, there's an FVG right there. So price also dropped into an FVG. So now what do you think is going to happen? We should expect a little pullback, right, into internal liquidity. So the current internal liquidity here is what? This FVG. So you can see excess liquidity taken, price to expand into internal liquidity to create the high of the week, then drop. Why? Because we are expecting a bearish bias on Euro USD. That is opposite. Sorry, let me take you back to the this. So we'll be expecting a bearish bias that is in opposite direction of the XY, right? So you can see what happened there. Price expand to the downside. Okay, it expanded to the downside. Last week created a swing point. I thought price should expand to the upside, but the low of previous week was taken. Because of that, then this week we expect price to further expand to the downside. Okay, so that's why our bias is bearish, guys. Last week closed bearish, so we expect a further expand to the downside. So the drawn liquidity is this guy, is this low here. Okay, so that's the drawn liquidity. All right, but the XY mostly take the lead. Okay, so the drawn liquidity is this low right here overall. Do you understand? Okay, so that's it, guys. So today we are short-term bullish on the on Euro USD, because we are short-term bearish on the XY. Okay, so that's why we actually had a setup already today. You understand? We had a setup that is still running to the upside. Okay, I think the setup is not yet, but I think it is on my account. All right, so that is it, guys.
and you expect price to actually deliver to the upside.
That's the anticipation, guys, and it's very very simple, guys. Keeping it very simple, we don't complicate anything here, guys. Okay, and we hope this week is going to be positive. We hope it's going to be positive. Currently I'm on a trade. You can see it's one of my accounts. You can see currently on a trade. You can see this trade. I don't know if you can see it very clearly. So this is one of my accounts. So you can see this. Okay, so we're still in profit. So my target is 1:2 hour, right? So I'm targeting my target is 1:2 hour. So let's see how far it does. Okay, it delivers. We already took an L in the morning. Like, it's really crazy. We took an L in the morning because I expect price to take consent to the upside, but EURUSD is like, is manipulating this. I don't know. It just manipulated us, then kicked us out. Then we waited till New York Q zone. So this setup now just formed during the New York Q zone, guys, and we executed. You know, my own is to execute 100%, guys. That's the main thing. Once it's in line with my trading plan, guys, I execute. Okay, you don't use because of 1 week or 2 week result and change your system that you build over how many this months and years. No, you don't do that, guys. So 100% execution, guys. We're expecting the best this week. Definitely, if we have this win and have another win, we are covering all our losses. Then we start from there, guys. So wish you all the best, guys. Wish you all the best. So I don't know the pair you'll be trading, so drop in the comment the pair you'll be trading this week. Personally, I'll be trading only EURUSD, just one pair, guys. 100% execution on my accounts, guys, and definitely on our challenge accounts. Okay, so let's see how far we go. So till the next time, guys, I wish you all good luck and bye for now.